All right, here we have a Beatty faucet. It's a universal shower filter. So what this does is if you have hard water that's high in like minerals, calcium, just magnesium, all the kinds of things that are in your water, depending on if you have hard or soft water. So if you have hard water, you're going to see a lot of soap scum, lime scale buildup on your pipes or your shower head. You're going to see those little crusty little things forming on your shower head. So what this is going to do, this is going to soften your water. It's going to remove a lot of those minerals out of your water and give you softer water, which helps your soap lather, helps it clean your body better. Just helps I guess just reduce the lime scale buildup if you're getting a lot of that in your shower head. And that's one of the problems we're having. We're getting a lot of that in our shower head, and it's blocking the nozzles and stuff like that. So we're going to put one of these in the shower. And I just wanted to show you this. It's pretty cool. So this is a shower filter. Comes with 6 cartridges. Comes with everything you need. Comes with the little washers and even some pipe tape here. But let's open it up and see. All right, so as you can see, there's a little manual here. Tells you how to install it. It's very nice packaging. So here is the main filter holder. This goes in line between your pipe that comes out of your wall and then your shower head. And I'll install it and show you. It's pretty big, good sized thing here to allow plenty of water pressure and stuff. So this will screw onto the wall, the pipe that comes out of the wall, and then you'll attach your shower head on this side. So this has a filter in it, but then it comes with six filters. So there's one inside, and then there's 5 here. So this is the filter. This has just different layers of, I guess, gravel and stuff in there that helps filter the water. You can kind of see it on the top here. So there's the different layers inside that filter that helps filter your water. So it's just, yeah, you're gonna have healthier hair, skin, and nails because you're gonna clean better. Your body's gonna be cleaner with the softer water. So this is what you get. These are the filters. I'm not sure what that little fan is on there, but yep, these are the filters. This is your pipe tape. So it comes with everything you need to install it. And then I'm gonna put it in and show you what that looks like. One thing I will mention is this one in particular is a 20-stage filter. So that means there's 20 different layers of filtration that's going on the water. You're gonna find some that are 6-stage and 10-stage, and so this is 20-stage. Should be a lot cleaner, better filtered, softer water. So we're gonna, first step, it says, so you can see is this thing is the enclosure, and there's already one of these in here. So it just screws on because you're gonna replace this filter in here for maybe 3 to 5 months. First thing you do is you want to flush this filter because these are brand new filters. So you're going to run water down in here for about 20 seconds and let all the carbon, just dust and stuff from all those different layers of filtration. You're gonna flush that out and let all the dust and stuff get out of there. So we're gonna do that. All right, so I removed our existing shower head. All right, so here I have the filter. There is a little washer filter kind of thing that I put down in the bottom. It comes with the kit. And then I have the new pipe tape on the pipe. You just want to make sure that you keep it as flat as possible and just wrap it around about 3 times. So here we are, just attaching it. So screw it on. You don't need like any pliers or anything. You just want to make sure it's hand tight. You don't really want to over tighten it. All right, so there we are. We have the shower head attached to our filter, And we're going to turn it on and... All right, looks like we still have very good water pressure coming out of there. There we go. If you have a lot of bad buildup on this, soak that in some white vinegar, and it should help clean all that out. You can even pour some down in the end to clean it out real well. So, but there you go. If you're looking for a water softener and you don't want to put a whole house water softener in your house, then you can put one of these just wherever you need it. Thanks for watching. See ya.